Hi, I'm Sarah. I just completed my level 4 in hairdressing and I've just won Apprentice of the Year in hairdressing and beauty. I basically fell into hairdressing. I was a Saturday girl at a local salon and I just found that I was technically proficient, so it just seemed right for me to take it to the next level. I work in a local salon called The Cutting Room. It's based in Holyhead. I have my boss, who is Amy. She is a fantastic employer. She is so supportive of everything I choose to do, any courses, extra work. She is just always pushing me to do more and get more out of everything that I do. I was doing my boss's hair as like a favour to her, and she gave me the tint brush and said she's trying to like show me what to do, and I just did it, and she was so shocked. She was like, is it something you want to do? And I was, well, it just felt right. It felt right. I decided to do my level 4 because it would eventually, hopefully, progress my career in hairdressing. It's given me so much more like in-depth knowledge and such a greater understanding of how the business side works as well. In the future, I hopefully will become more hands-on in the college. I want to eventually do tutoring full-time and hopefully pass on some of the knowledge that I've gained over the years.